In 2003, Chinese astronaut Yang Liwei was alone in orbit. No sound can travel in space. It's a vacuum. Yet, he heard a sharp knock on the side of his capsule, like someone rapping their knuckles on metal. He looked outside. Nothing. No debris, no tools, no movement at all. He tried to record it, but the sound came and went. When he returned to Earth, engineers checked everything. No damage, no explanation. Other Chinese astronauts later reported the same thing. A knocking from nowhere, only in deep silence. They called it the visitor in the void. No one has ever found the source.